The northwestern region of Pakistan, and now named as Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, is home to the legendary Pathans. A proud nation with a unique culture and heritage in the midst of stunning mountains and lush valleys, knowledge reigns supreme right from the times of Gandhara civilization. And today, unarguably, the oldest living city of subcontinent and the capital city of KPK, this tradition continues in Peshawar's premier academic institution, the University of Engineering and Technology, Peshawar. Magnanimity and grandeur of this institution are deeper than the deepest trench and subtle than the calm sea. This institution is not only a sigil of scenic beauty but also blessed with raw potential and talent. UET Peshawar is the only public sector university in the province with its education standards perfectly aligned with HEC. Today, with its focus on adaptive and applied research, innovation, and knowledge transfer initiatives, it is indeed one of the leading universities in the region. Life in UET is always on the fast track. Enthusiasm, liveliness, zeal, and zest flow amongst the departments, creating an unparalleled environment for the students as well as the faculty. Students keep themselves indulged in creative activities during their leisure time, making sure that they are sound practically and have a know-how about the adequate measures needed for the implementation of their theoretical knowledge.
Department of Electrical Engineering was established in 1952 as a part of the Faculty of Engineering. Ever since its inception, the department has provided cutting-edge education to the people of this province. The academic program is designed to build a strong foundation in the fundamentals of electrical engineering, along with specialized courses to cover the breadth of the expanding realm of electrical engineering. Its alumni are working at these prestigious positions in various national and international organizations. With power shortages and load shedding at its peak, Pakistan is facing with the worst energy crisis. Being a very unacceptable situation, engineers in electrical engineering department are taught by expert professors and instructors so that they are able to curb these shortages and make the system more efficient.
Mechanical engineering. In the energy-starved environment of Pakistan, the students are taught to explore the generation, transmission, and utilization of mechanical energy. Are basically involved in everything to build useful products, machinery, engines, etc. Earthquake Engineering Center. The Earthquake Engineering Center, EEC, is a multidisciplinary research and education center situated in Peshawar. Envisioned in 2002, the center became operational in June 2006. EEC was established with the aim of better understanding the seismic risk in the areas within the geographical boundaries of Pakistan, and to conduct research and testing in the current construction practices in Pakistan for improving seismic resistance of structures in high seismic risk areas. U-tub, an essential part of Orange Line train, is a special Chinese designed beam which uplifts the track and holds the load of the train. But being humongous in size, importing it was not an option. The constructors and funding authority decided to make a replica of the U-tub, which would later be the building block of the whole project. For design and load testing, Director of the Earth and Seismic Department UET Peshawar, Muhammad Ali, provided his expertise and declared it to be successful.
The most prestigious and well-developed department of UET, civil engineering holds prime importance and respect. The curriculum lays emphasis on the subjects of structure, irrigation, geotechnical, transportation engineering, environmental engineering, and hydraulics. The prescribed syllabi and examination standards compare favorably with the work of undergraduate programs in the United Kingdom, the United States, and Canada. In addition to the coursework, the final year students are required to work on a project under the guidance of senior faculty members. With state-of-the-art machinery, Mining Engineering Department is involved in educating the students about identification and extraction of raw materials. The learned graduates will in turn work for their country in order to extract the materials from the regions unexplored. This will decrease the expenditure made in terms of salaries and facilities which are provided to foreign experts for the same cause.
Agricultural engineering. Pakistan is a fast-growing country with many initiated developmental projects. The exponential growth in population has given rise to many agricultural problems. The Department of Agricultural Engineering focuses on filtering out these problems, as the enrolled students are made to follow a comprehensive curriculum so that they can make their country meet its agricultural requirements in the future.
With huge foreign investments pouring in, Pakistan has entered in an age of industrialization. There are numerous factories and industries being opened, so as to make the country self-sufficient and decrease the imports. This department is fulfilling the requirement for these industries adequately, making a brighter future for Pakistan.
Department of Computer Science and Information Technology and Computer System Engineering. In Pakistan, there are practically limitless applications of computer systems, and they still remain an underserved field in the local market. While studying computer software engineering, students learn to solve problems and automate different machinery by creating computer softwares. The laboratories are equipped with state-of-the-art computer systems, running a wide range of applications and specialized softwares supporting the course. Whereas the CSIT department is concerned with theory, design, development, and application of computer science and information processing techniques. Chemical engineering. As there is an abundance of raw materials in Pakistan, the Department of Chemical Engineering focuses on blending the chemical processes with engineering techniques in order to turn these raw materials into finished goods. Here, students learn to identify and use different chemicals so as to achieve the required results with efficiency and adequately.
Research in the applied directions are resolute in every aspect of life. Proper utilization of technology advancements are the need of the time that comes with proper commercialization of the applied research. The universities and the research institutes are the helping hands for bringing invention, innovation, and commercialization all together under the same roof. The region of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is blessed with treasures of unimaginable proportions. It is imperative that its natural resources must be exploited indigenously for uplifting communities and boosting Pakistan's economy. Well, today, the future holds promise for the nation's hidden wealth. The UET's Gems and Jewelry Center of Excellence is a pride for the country. The center is involved in bolstering the local economy of gemology by making the local people and people from the tribal areas experts in cutting, polishing, and evaluation of gems. This also sends a positive message of how the institution is involved in serving and empowering the local communities. The engineering university curriculum will perhaps be incomplete without its Institute of Mechatronics Engineering. Combining the fundamentals of mechanical, electronics, and computer engineering, students are taught to control electronic systems and microprocessors.
Architectural Engineering. Degree course at the Department of Architecture is set in such a manner that the students take inspiration from heritage, the region's extraordinary ancient civilizations, and rich living folk traditions. Plans and designs made in the Department of Architecture range from basic housing to mega sky-rises and industrial buildings. Innovators, along with experienced faculty, result in a friendly yet intellectual environment. This department has acquired latest technologies to develop a conducive environment for studying architecture. State-of-the-art computer lab, technically primed crafting workshop, well-equipped design studios, and resourceful library are available for an effective learning process.
We know you want to impress universities with your accomplishments in the classroom, but your academics aren't the full picture to who you really are. Yes, colleges want bright students, but even more, they want bright, well-rounded students. That's where your extracurricular activities come in. Grades and test scores are very important, but so is what you choose to do on your own time. Admission officers are looking into create a class made up of students with diverse interests and backgrounds.